Welcome back to the channel. We're at a canal behind my condo over here, Boca, Raton. It's a little dark. What time is it out here? 7:10 p.m. Got one of these exo swims on. Yeah, I know you're upset. No more white shads, you know. It's okay. Well, let's see what tomorrow will bring. Oh, okay. But let's see if we can hook up anything over here. Alright, walking through jungle over here. Alright. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. Yeah guys, so I think I fixed the mic issue. I won't know until I go home and edit. But if you could see my GoPro right now, it's pretty ghetto rigged. I feel like the videos haven't been, you know, using the good, catching the good audio is because it's in the waterproof case, you know. So, needless to say, it's double-sided taped, you know, to the waterproof case because I'm ordering the GoPro Hero 8 or whatever because I just don't want to deal with the waterproof case all the time. So this is the ghetto setup for now. So hopefully it sounds better. We'll find out. Ah, fuck. Something's bit my foot. Oh yeah, that's nice. A lot of seaweed right here. I'm getting caught up a lot. I think I just cast it right on a snakehead. He boiled and I just cast right on top of him. Alright. Come on, fish. Where you at? Alright guys, pretty much making this video just because, you know, it's late, whatever, and, but I really wanted to test out the microphone, see if it's any better. So, we'll see. Oh, sure, Sally. There was a fish right there. Okay. But yeah. There's a guy over there swimming in his pool. And I started talking to the camera, you know, and he's like looking at me like, here's this guy again talking to himself. Holy shit, you guys probably saw me jump there. Holy crap, that was an alligator, you know. I pretty much got the reactions of a freaking dead cat, so like, if an alligator jumps up out of here, you know what I mean? I'm just pretty much, I'm not gonna be able to react until I'm already fucking dead, you know what I mean? So, oh shit, right on the sea, sweet. Yeah, but, you know what, let's do what I just said I was gonna do. Let's skip it across the surface. Kind of like this, you know what I mean? Cause a little bit of commotion. I think that's the strat. I think that's what it is. Maybe we're gonna find a big chungus in here or some shit, I don't know. But we'll find out. Oh shit, there's a little fish right there just jumped in front of me, man. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm a little freaking pussy. Well, good news is there's fish jumping everywhere. I like that. Maybe one day we'll catch a fish, guys, I swear. Yeah, I'm only going to be fishing for about freaking, 30 minutes or something, so it's not going to be nothing crazy. Like I said, I just want to test out the mic situation, make sure that's sounding better so that I can go from there. Guys, I also want a vlogging camera. I mean, don't want to do everything on the GoPro, but you guys got suggestions, vlogging camera kind of thing, so I can have a couple different cameras to work with. I heard about the G7X, whatever. Let me know what you think about that. If there's any others you recommend, I'd greatly appreciate it. I don't know, probably got around $1,000 we can try to work with for another camera, because I'm gonna order the other GoPro too. It's like almost $400 or something like that. So yeah, we'll see there. The GoPro 8, the black or whatever, the one I was looking at, you can get an attachment that flips up a separate screen so that you can vlog, you know what I mean? So like, I'm not no camera geek guy or nothing like that, but it's like the LCD screen that flips up so you can see what you're recording, like a regular camera. I think it's pretty sweet. So, oh, snakehead on the surface. Oh, I just scared him. Cool, he scared me, so even Steven. Let's let her sink. Oh man, I'm really hoping the sound quality is better. You know what? For sure. I looked into mics. I just couldn't find like one. I got an old GoPro, the Hero 3 or whatever. I mainly just use it for like my vacations and stuff like that, but like underwater stuff. But like, I never really needed a sound because I was underwater. You know what I mean? So hopefully this is better. But it's not the permanent setup. I'm just waiting until I buy the GoPro 8, and then we will go from there. There's a lot of bubbles right there. What is that? You think that's an alligator, all the bubbles right there? Or right there? I don't know if I got it right there, but I think that's an alligator, because I have seen a couple in here. I just cast it right on it. Well, we're gonna find out here if I hook it, you know what I mean? I don't have my utensil, I don't have this today, because my condo's right there. I don't know, I guess I'm an idiot, whatever. So, a little close to this water though. About to be fucking alligator dinner here in a second. Okay. Yeah, like I said, just the canal behind my condo. Not too many fish out of here, but I see a lot. It's just, welcome to the channel, Kevin Can't Catch a Fish, you know what I mean? Whatever. But that's okay. We'll get there, guys. I promise. One day. Probably like my 10th video, we'll catch a fish. Okay, I promise. Right now, just figuring out the quirks and the bugs every time, because when I'm editing, the audio sounds great when I'm editing. I got my headphones on, editing it, you know what I mean? My audio sounds great. Once I upload it and it actually gets onto YouTube, the audio, at least my voice, I can't hear anything. So that's why I have to upload it. It literally takes like almost a day to upload. So like, I have to upload that and then wait, and then once it uploads, I can actually hear what it sounds like. So that's why I got this dilemma, and that's why I'm doing all this research and trying to figure out best cameras and different cameras and all that fun stuff. So we'll see. It's gonna be good though. Let's get her skipping, you know what I mean? There we go. Alright, there's a snakehead right there, right on top of him. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting eaten up by bugs right now. We should, yeah, I just wanted to check the... Holy, you guys see that shit right there? I wish I could zoom in, you know what I mean? That hanging tree right there, there's a... I don't know if like a lizard's fallen. Oh, I just cast it right into it. Yeah, there we go. We'll catch one of those. Catch a nice tree. I'm good at that, at least. I always catch these fucking North American weed fish, the fucking seaweed shit, you know what I mean? I always catch this shit. But, let's see. Oh, yeah, you got some seaweed all over you there, buddy. Okay. Oh my god, fish jumping out there. What the fuck? But yeah, I just want to test the audio. So, holy Jesus, well, that's a frickin' bird's nest. Okay, let's fix that. Hold on. Oh god. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it. Ugh, chewing on a mosquito. That's gross. Probably have frickin' corona now. Or what's now? Malaysia? Malaysia, wow. What's now, I think. Probably got that, but hold on, I just had a snakehead chasing us, so let's see if we can get her. But yeah, so like I said, sorry for the short vid. Sorry for the short video. Oh, he just nipped it. I just felt him pull on it a little bit. Okay, this is a good sign. Okay, so he just pulled the jig head out, or the grub off the jig head. Good. Okay. But sorry for the short video. I'm just going to, like I said, I only uploaded this so I can see the audio and see how it goes. So sorry for it being so short and boring, you know, I mean, what's new? Don't catch a fish. Fuck! You know what I mean? But that's okay. I'm going to try to get out a couple more times this week, and a couple of spots that I always catch fish at, guaranteed, you know. But yeah, you never know. You're fishing with me over here, you know. So, you know, it's called top Florida fishing, but the only thing where the top at is yeah, exactly, nothing. All right, howdy, neighbor, over there, looking at me in the screen. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yeah. What's that? Looks like they're aiming a gun at me. All right. Well, time to go. Okay. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But maybe. Never know. I can't see that far. I'm pretty much blind. But yeah. Sorry, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a night because I'm getting eaten alive. So sorry for the short vid, and suggestions, like I said, on the cameras. What do you know about the? What do you think about the GoPro 8 and the just a vlogging camera? You know, nice one. And yeah, let me know. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next video.